Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. Today we are going to look at our writing process chart and remember what we did yesterday. We came up with an idea about either a person, a place, a thing that we know and love. We touched and told what we were going to put on each page, and we drew pictures. So for Miss Allen's book this week, I decided rather, that I was going to teach you guys all about butterflies. And today, I am going to add my labels and sentences across the pages. But I've been looking at our sight word chart, and I want to be able to use the word have in all my sentences. So I took out the word have. I have my butterfly to remind me that my topic is all about butterflies. And I have my pen ready. So on my first page, or my cover page, it says all about, and I'm going to write butterflies. Butterflies, written and illustrated by me, Miss Allen. Miss Allen. Okay, so, I remembered. I wanted to ask my readers, did you know butterflies were once caterpillars, or butterflies came from caterpillars? That's why I have this caterpillar here. Okay, I'm gonna write that. I'm gonna write exactly what I said, what I asked you guys. Did you know butterflies were once caterpillars? I'm gonna write that. Did you know butterflies were once caterpillars? And that's a question, so I'm gonna put a question mark. Oh my God, that's a really good way to start off this book. And this is our introduction. Oh, wow. I like that. I like how we're starting. So now we're going to continue. Page 1. I forgot. What was I going to put on this page? I have my butterfly and I have these. Oh, the antennas. The 2 antennas. Oh, let me label so I remember that I'm going to talk about the antennas. And I can say butterflies, and remember I wanted to use my sight word have, so I can say butterflies have 2 antennas. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna do that. Butterflies and my word have 2 antennas. Oh, that's important. Butterflies and the antennas. page 2 or detail 2 about butterflies. What do I want to teach my readers here? See my butterfly and the antennas. I already taught the antennas. He's smiling. Ooh, his legs. Yes, legs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. So butterflies have 6 legs. I'm going to write that. And I'm going to label the legs. Right? Have many legs. Legs. Well, not many. 6, because we just counted it. And I drew my picture so I remember. So butterflies have, that's my sight word for this book, have 6, and we counted 6 legs. Period. What else did we draw on this page? Ooh, I drew many butterflies on this page. Should I say there are 3 butterflies? No, that's not teaching about butterflies. What was I going to say on this page? And I want to use my sight word have. So let me see. Ooh, that's what I did. I wanted to teach my readers that butterflies have many colors. So let's write that. Butterflies. Remember, my topic is butterflies. So I always want to mention butterflies. And today I want to use my sight word have. So butterflies have many colors. Oh. Remember, I have my 3 details, and now I can end my book with a last page. And remember, we talked about closing off our books by telling our readers, now you know all about, and name your topic. So my topic for this week is butterflies. So I'm going to tell my readers, now you know all about butterflies. Because this is an all about book. Remember, we are teaching our readers all about a topic. So let's reread our book and make sure that we have labels and a sentence on each page. So all about butterflies by me, Miss Allen. Have my caterpillar. Did you know butterflies were once caterpillars? I'm so excited about my introduction page. Butterflies have 2 antennas. 1, 2. Butterflies have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Checking my picture to make sure that my picture matches my sentence. Butterflies have many colors. And I'm going to color my butterflies all pretty. And now my conclusion page. Now you know all about butterflies. So today, boys and girls, we added our labels and sentences to each page. And we taught in our pictures and our sentences and our labels all about one topic. And Miss Allen's topic this week is butterflies. So I'm teaching all about butterflies, and I wanted to use my sight word have. And you, boys and girls, can go now and add labels to your drawings from yesterday. You can add a sentence. Don't forget your introduction and conclusion page. And use your sight word charts, your alphabet chart, and your word wall to help you write. See you tomorrow, boys and girls, and have a great day.